How many basic units of currency X are equivalent to 250 basic units of currency Y? So we're trying to figure out how many units of X are equivalent to 250 of Y. Look at clue 1. 100 units of currency X. So if I let X be the value of currency X, if I took 100 times X, that gives me the value, how much money I have, is equivalent to 625 of Y. And let Y take on the same concept except for currency Y. And then if you divide both sides by Y, you would get 100 over XY equals 625. And now divide both sides by X, now divide both sides by 100. You would get X over Y equals 625 over 100. And 625 over 100 would be 25 over 4 if you reduce it by a factor of 25. 25 will go into both of them. So what that means is for every 4 units of X is equivalent to, for every 4 units of Y, that's going to be equivalent to 25 units of X. So how many basic units of currency X? So now we have like a ratio, and so now we can figure out how many basic units of currency X are equivalent to 250. We know that the ratio is 25 to 4, so that gives me enough information to answer the question. And clue 2 is just like clue 1, except it is just using different numbers. It also works. So your answer is D. Both work independently.